Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is currently Monday. I'm starting a new vlog for this week. We have currently nurturing this bad boy. If you haven't seen how I burned out of my forehead, go ahead and click on the video link below. I also will be featuring a few people. I have a workout with Grace. We're doing Insanity Week together, beachbodying, and I am super excited. We're almost done with it. I think we only have a couple more days left. Do some admin stuff. This is kind of Rebecca's admin day, so we're gonna vlog that and everything that entails. I love admin days. I got the idea from this book by Eve Rodsky. It's called Fair Play, and you get cards to print out, say like little tasks like this. So this one says tidying and cleaning up, and then you have like tasks that require you to go out. And so this one says family plans, and just about keeping your life balanced as well. This is caregiving, self-care for him, and then you have self-care for her, and it actually tells you online like what corresponds with these tasks. So these are magic cards, and there's a few in these. This is called spirituality, and then you have wild cards. And so this one's kind of fun, and it's very true. This one just reads glitch in the matrix, daily disruption. So it's like finding out. It's about pivoting really whenever you have something that changes kind of quickly. So yeah, I just want to hop on and say hi. I'm trying to get better at intros for the week. So Monday, quarantine week 2. Jeans or something, and maybe like low heels.
I know I have an Instagram for that.
Okay, basics. Yeah, you have a lot of good basics. You have a lot of good statement pieces too. What I'm seeing.
Try on because you need to see it on.
I might be able to style it and change your mind about it if it's up.
She's the killer queen.
I love that. And it's gilded. Old school.
Very old school. This is like my favorite to just throw on. I wore this Halloween and New Year's Eve.
Is this from Stitch Fix?
That was from Stitch Fix, yeah.
I saw the lemon tart branding.
That was like the only one that I was like, yes, oh my gosh, this is
amazing.
And it was like the first one that they sent me to.
I actually have wound up with a bunch of Adidas stuff over the years, and I'm like now just pairing it all together into like full on like gang tracksuits.
Put this in try on too.
So hoodies actually have the same thing. So the flat surface definitely helps. They actually have these things on Amazon if you want to get like Francis about it. And yeah, so something like this, I just back fold it in, and this is gonna make the fold very thick though, fair warning. And so I do this like halfway too, then tuck in this, and you can do it this way, or you can bring it all the way over so you see it, and then put the hood underneath.
Okay.
And then this is a good time to straighten out.
What do you mean Francis all about? I don't use any equipment to fold.
No, you like you
Shelley
like
Cooper.
You like, you know, things that are like bring it to like the like most finite point.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. And
It's not a bad thing, it's a good thing.
How much do you normally charge for like professionally organizing somebody's house?
It depends. I can do it virtually, and it depends if I have someone with me. And it also I give them the opportunity to either purchase by the hour, like block timing, so I can give them an estimate of how much time, because it will save them by the hour. It depends on if they're helping me or if it's totally like paperwork and I can be on my own because I have a directive list. So 75 to like, it's usually 75 to 125.
Let's do a touch and go.
Okay guys, good morning. I am in the middle of a hair tutorial. It's serious. It's for natural looking curls. Desi Perkins, again, mentioned. I'll link her below. I really will link her this time. Then I'm going to, oh, it's much better. But I'm at least gonna take these out, so you'll be able to see these today a little bit later, and then we're gonna make breakfast. So I'm taking these out, and I think the Olaplex helped it stay really uniform. See how it's not frizzy? I slept in these, I worked out in these, I took a shower in these. Oh man, there might be some recovery. If I have to bail on this, guys, we gotta take another shower. You can't come back from slept in box braids like ASAP Rocky, okay? You just have to start over. It feels so good. I just wish you guys could just pet me right now. I know I look tragic, but it feels good. Okay. Ready. Okay, let's do it. I messed this up. Surprise! Boom. All right. I do want to brush these out, but very lightly. Do a center part. I don't mind center parts. They're not usually what I wear on a day-to-day basis, like this, and I want them to match. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2 triangle braids right here. So I'm going to part this off. And so I just want them to look like this, essentially. And then these are gonna be braids. Still want the fullness of this to come back out. I'm gonna take it from my temple right here and just pull it straight back to where the top of my head is. Those little pieces come out from underneath it and just makes it look it's laid very pretty. And I'm going to clip the part of my hair that's down, just like that. Mainly because I don't want to pick up any hair that's gonna go in this section because I want it to look really tight. One thing I will say is whenever you're braiding your hair and you want it to be more of a plait, you want your fingers to be on top of it. So if you just try to braid your hair like a French braid and your hands pulling back the weight and the tension of the braid behind you, the braid's gonna fall behind you. But if you want it to be more of a prominent plait, you want to be on top of it with the weight and that hair that you're adding into it. So it's tighter and smaller. I'm gonna take my hair ties and put it back without pulling out all my hair. So I'm just gonna pull this up like this, right back there. The second braid for me is always the better one because you have a little bit of that practice and that dexterity. It's almost a little bit of muscle memory. Y'all, I'll get better at teaching hair tutorials, I promise. It's just it's a process. Make sure you wash your hands. And I am going to use it to pull. So start it, and I just want to pull these a little wider so you can see what they look like. Okay, hair tutorial saved. Okay, so now it looks a little crazy. I understand. Be right back. Just gonna hit this with some Wildly large bottle of Kenra, one of my favorites, and crunch it, tighten. That's a wrap.